Nyaju odibo nwanyi nkose blowa. Ekene Maria Ijuptel na Gracia Osebluwa nonyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ jazi ngọzi nwafọ gị Jesu.
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu yabara ngọzi ndị arịrịọ kịta na ọnwụnwa anyị. Amen.
Okwu emela arụ
O wee binyere anyị.
Ekene Maria Ijuptel na Gracia Osebluwa nonyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ jazi ngọzi nwafọ gị Jesu.
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu yabara ngọzi ndị arịrịọ kịta na ọnwụnwa anyị. Amen.
Jabara anyị ayọ ọnne nke Chukwu dị asọ.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right? Hit the subscribe button back here. You rock. Dialogue.
Nye Gracia ka anyị ndị nje kwusịrị oziọma wee mara iwere arụ Kristi nwari site n'afọ ya na obe ya wee bata n'otuto na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dịrị anyị. Amen. Otuto dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otuto dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Otuto dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwere n'ụbara aga.
Good evening and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM News Update. Today, Thursday, the 21st day of November 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ekpa is my name. The headlines. Alleged 400 million naira fraud. Inspector General of Police files charges against former Anambra Senator Andy Uba. European Union, Enugu government to spend 4.3 billion naira on solar energy in healthcare centers. Abia government demolishes illegal motor parks, shanties in Omahia. Finnish police arrest Simon Ekpa over terrorism charges. New Manchester United manager Amorim set to launch African record bid for Super Eagles Ford, facing economic headwinds and weak EV sales to cut 4,000 jobs in Europe. Now, details. Alleged 400 million naira fraud. Inspector General of Police files charges against former Anambra Senator Andy Uba. The Inspector General of Police Kayode Ebotokun has filed charges against a former senator representing Anambra South, Andy Uba, over allegations of fraud. The ex-lawmaker is facing a 2-count charge marked FHC ABJ CR 538-2024, alongside 2 others, Crystal Uba and Benjamin Etu. The charge, dated October 8, was filed before Justice Ian Ekwo on Federal High Court in Abuja. In count 1, Uba, Crystal Etu, and 1 Hajia Fatima, now at large, were alleged to have conspired amongst themselves to commit the offense in 2022. They were charged with deceiving one Judge Ubo by allegedly claiming they could secure the appointment of the managing director of the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) for anyone willing to pay 400 million naira. Ubo had written a petition dated April 5, 2023 to the IGP stating that he had and voice recording evidence. Justice Ekpa adjourned the matter to February 18, 2025 for arraignment of defendants. European Union, Enugu government to spend 4.3 billion naira on solar energy in healthcare centers. The European Union and Enugu state government will spend 4.3 billion naira on powering 25 health facilities across the state with solar microgrid energy systems. The multi-billion naira solar energy project, which is under the Nigerian Solar for Health project NISHP, is being funded by a 3.3 billion naira grant from the European Union and a counterpart fund of 1 billion naira from the Enugu state government. Speaking during the official launch of the project, senior stakeholder engagement management for NISHP, Tina Obeho, said it was intended to tackle the challenges of widespread lack of access to electricity, which often impact healthcare delivery, particularly at the grassroots level. He explained that Enugu was one of the 5 states across Nigeria that are benefiting from the European Union funded project, adding that other benefiting states include Plateau, Ogun, Abia, and Akwa Ibom. He explained that European Union support will cover all capital expenditures, including battery storage, inverters, carbonates, and the containers to house them, cable and spare parts, and also support in the training and capacity building of technicians. In his address, Governor Peter Mbah of Enugu State said that launch of the project reflects the commitment of his administration to ensure that primary healthcare centers across the state have reliable, sustainable, and uninterruptible power supply.